Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get free things in Minecraft Marketplace. Alright, let's begin. First, open Minecraft and go to the Marketplace. Here you will see skins, worlds, textures, and add-ons that usually cost Minecoins. However, you do not need to spend any money. To find free items, go to the top right and tap the search icon. Do not type anything. Instead, tap the filter icon that looks like a funnel. Now open pack types and choose what you want, such as worlds, skins, or add-ons. For example, select worlds and apply the filter. Next, tap the sort option in the top right and choose price from low to high. Now you will see all free items before paid ones. Tap any free item, select free, and claim it. So that's basically how you can get free things in Minecraft Marketplace. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.